Well, hello there, and I hope you're doing really well. Kim here to talk to you about some art. This is my Grecian Ruins. Yes, it's underwater. And I got this idea from a notepad. I was doing some sketching and I drew a dragon going through here, and I'm standing here in an outfit and Grecian Ruins in the background, but I'll share that with you another time. And I'll put in some of these pictures as well that I've been working on. So basically this is chalk pastels again. We just love chalk pastels. It's a bit quicker than the oil paints, you see, so the oil paints would take longer to dry and all that sort of thing. So basically the dragon will be floating through here, and I'll share those now with you, and then I'll appear somewhere, so it's all good. So it's taken a little while to get this one finished, a few weeks or so, but I got there in the end. I had to do the building first of the Grecian Ruins, just the rocks with the thicker pastels, and then the thicker pastels here. I've also put this in Photoshop, and I've got a video done for that as well. So I've added some more highlights through Photoshop, and which I'll share with you later. And it's not too bad. I'm quite pleased how it's worked out. So thanks for joining me too, and I'm hoping to get these all together to complete a video, basically for a music video, and so promising, so it's looking good, so I'm happy enough. Just some difficulties with some video programs and some of the photography programs, so I'm still trying to work on some of those, and but getting there, so it's getting there. You know what it's like when there's Mercury retrograde and all that sort of thing. So Mercury retrograde goes backwards, so communications go AWOL, computers go AWOL, and well, anyway, it's done now. So thank you for joining me, and I'll zoom in a little bit and let you see some of the details. Hold on one second. So here we are. The building was, I had to draw everything out first, you know, in pencil, and then do the shading in pencil. These are chalk pencils for the building itself, and then the thicker chalk pastels, you know, for the rocks and stuff like that, just to give that texture that I wanted. And the seabed there, just a white bit of a seabed, the light coming down and stuff. So yeah, cool. I'm happy enough. And it's a background, you know, it's not a sort of final piece or anything, but yeah, I'm really pleased. So it could be worse, you know, not getting anything done or something like that, but no, I got it finished, so I was really pleased about that. And I'll add the dragon, the dragon's added in and stuff, so it's just a matter of putting it all together now. So the video, if you can see me, can you see me? The video is halfway through, so I'm just adding things to it as I go along, and then cut it and edit it and see how I get on with it. But it's getting there, so that's all you can do. You can just do what you can. So keep rocking yourselves, and enjoy the rest of the week, your weekend, whether it's evening or morning or afternoon. Just take it easy anyway, and stay cool. Okay, and all the best. Bye bye.